To my future employer, good day. Hi, let me introduce myself. By the way, I'm Maria Cristina Javier Martinez, 34 years old, married, and blessed with 3 loving handsome sons, ages 13 years old, 11 years old, 9 years old, and 1 legally adopted beautiful daughter, aged 2 years old. I am college undergraduate of Business Information Management. My work experience are home-based tutor teacher for 3 years and 8 months, assistant cook chef for 1 year and promoted as kitchen supervisor, call center agent for 2 years and 6 months, online seller for 8 years, and my latest work experience is a domestic helper in Malaysia. My duties and responsibilities there is to take good care of 26 years old Chinese girl special child. I'm the one give her food, medicine, taking her bath, teaching her how to count, how to memorize the alphabets, the colors, the shape, accompany her to walk, teaching her how to sing, to dance, and my other duties and responsibilities there is washing clothes, ironing clothes, and other household chores. To my future employer, if you allow me to be part of your family, I will promise to you to take good care of your children, and I will love them as my own. Thank you so much.